Hello friends, welcome to the channel again. So let's do some analysis on Nifty 50 for tomorrow. So tomorrow is the expiry. Okay. So now what I told is that Nifty is having a bearish moment. So yesterday I told you that it can fall. So it fall and it took a support around here 15,000 this one 15,000 odd level, 15,000 level. Okay, and after that it moves slightly up. So this is obvious that it could not fall like that. So like here what you see the fall, anywhere there is a fall, there is a wave towards upward also. Okay, so it is consolidating in this channel average line, what I always used to tell you that whenever there will be some consolidation from here also. If you see, if it is up move, then it will come over here, it will come over here. That doesn't mean that it will fall, it will again go up. So here if you think, here if you see, so here also it falls and it is showing some upward momentum over here. So now what next? So do you think it will cross this 15,260 level and it will again go move up? So we don't know, anything can happen. Just we can give our view, and that view is it is a bearishness. Okay, so and you should keep a stop loss about 15,000 to 59 over here. You should keep a 15,000 one buffer, 10 points or 20 points you can give. 15,270 you can keep as a stop loss. Okay, whenever you are in a, suppose you are on a bearish side, bearish bias, so you should keep some stop loss 15,270, and you can keep on be on the trend. Okay, so right now why it took support? So it took some support because there is a price action over here where it has done some gap up. Okay, so a lot of orders might be pending over here. Because of this, it can go up. So that's fine, not a problem. So but tomorrow is a expiry. So what we can see is that tomorrow might we can I think what will happen is that tomorrow it will be a gap up or something, moment will be there, some moment will be there. Okay, and from 15,200 or 300 it can go 15,200, and it can again start falling. So you should keep a watch. If this is, now I've given the stop loss 15,260. Okay, 15,260 to 270 I've given the stop loss. And if you see that there is a two candlesticks over here, over here. See, now it's I'll tell you. Okay, here it is a full movement only. It is a fall, and as soon as you get out from the long position, short position, and you keep on this one. But here you see it can go like this, and it can do some momentum, and after that it can fall. Otherwise if you see this one. Okay, what I am telling is that if you see two candlesticks like this, if you see two candlesticks like this is coming up, then you can exit your position and and for time being you should be on the long. Okay, and after that if you see that stop, so otherwise if you feel, if you're confident that this will not break, so be on the short side. Okay, be on the short side. Once it can make a double top, and it can fall, okay, towards 14,500 level. Okay, this is the support line. So I feel this will be a good support line. If it is breaking, then we don't have any support, then we can fall till here. Okay, or we can take a support here. So it will be straight one, wave one, then it will be wave two. Wave two can extend up to 99% of wave one. Okay, whole wave one, it can extend up to, it can fall up to 99% of this move. Okay, 99% of this move. So what I'm telling you, this is a good support. Once this is broken, then we can see a larger fall also. Okay, so as of now I am bit confident that this will hold. Okay, hold. So Nifty is not done yet towards the up move. So So one thing is that bank nifty is also moving, it is in seems that it is in the fourth move, or don't know, it will make a double top, it can also make a double top and it can fall, or it can move towards some 37,000 level. So but here you see this, you keep for 15,260 as a two hard stop loss, always a respective stop loss. Okay, if your stop loss is hitting, then you should get out of your trade and wait for some moment, or you can go enter the long position, and again you can give a stop loss over here. Okay, or you can give a stop loss what I have told you, the this line actually. Okay, this 13 days moving average high and low line. So accordingly we can play. So there is a bearish movement also. I'll show you something different today, how I analyze also something during expiry, what the movement can we can see here. What we are seeing is that 15,000 is a good support. Okay, 15,000 is a good support. Yesterday, today also, if you see the 15,000, it has taken the support. 15,000 it has taken the support. Okay, 9th February, if you see the data. So this is the option data, option chain data. So option chain data, I have pulled the data over here, option data over here from the WAP copy, and I used to plot the chart over here. And daily you can do that, you can append the data to the end of the sheet. Okay, like this you can append the data and you can show. So what I am saying is that, see, 15,000 P, 15,000 put writer have put all the money over here. So if it is breaking, then where it will come? The one support is 14,500. That's what I'm telling. Whatever the data is showing, the price action also will show the same thing. Okay, so and this is the support actually, 15,200. Okay, 15,200 for tomorrow. We can see that 15,200 and 15,000. I feel if 15,000 is broken tomorrow, then tomorrow only we could see a bigger movement. Okay, bigger movement towards some 200 points fall or something like that. Okay, if this zone is breaking, because this has taken a good support area, so now if it is breaking, then we can see a good movement. Now what will happen here is that, let me tell you what will happen over here. See, this we can play a zigzag. So what will be this one, 15,200 if comes, 15,200 if it is a double top or something. So from here, if it is suppose it will touch this line. Okay, it will touch this line. Okay, so this 13 days moving average high, it can touch. Okay, it can touch, and again it can fall till near 14,909 or 14,728 for tomorrow, this zone and this zone. Okay, okay, and after that 14,500 is the great support over here. What the data, as per the data, what we are seeing. Otherwise tomorrow what it can happen is that tomorrow it can fall. Okay, tomorrow at the starting only it can fall, and from there again 15,000 is a good support. Again, if you see, a 15,000 PE is having very good support. Okay, a lot of money are big hands money are there over here, 15,000. Okay, this is the 15,000 PE. So it has a good support over here, this area. If it is having a 15,000 is having a good support, so what I feel that tomorrow it will come, and at the afternoon it will again go up. Okay, and on Friday we can see a fall. So so this area you should keep strict in mind, 15,000. Okay, accordingly you can play your role, whatever you want to take the call or put, whatever you want to take, you can take it. Okay, so that's the view in this one actually. Nifty. Coming to Nifty Bank, I am telling that this is somewhat the movement, fourth move it shows. It is somewhat that same movement it is showing. Okay, so so what I am telling is that this one is a great support. Okay, this one yesterday also I told you that this is a great support. Till yet it has not broken, then you should not take any short position in the bank Nifty. So bank Nifty is doing some sideways momentum only, as soon as it breaks, either it is some 337,000 line it can do, or 37,000 target what I am giving earlier, 37,400 target what I am giving earlier, it can do it. Otherwise what it can do is it can fall still here, the same thing. Okay, 33,000 here it can fall. Okay, otherwise this one. So bank nifty you should be very cautious. So it is doing actually in nifty bank or bank nifty future, it doesn't work. This trend line doesn't work properly. Moving average you have to take a call judiciously using Elliott analysis or data points. So what I am saying is that it is doing some zigzag, sideways momentum. So once it broken, then only we can see some moment in this one. Today also it took a support over here. Yesterday I told you that this could be the great support. So and since this is having some moments, okay, some moments, suppose it nifty bank moves, then we can see nifty is also moving towards 15,200 again, and it will make a double top, or this will also make a double top over a triple top since it is making. So once it will break this one, then you can make sure that it will fall. Okay, so till yet my nifty bank is view is sideways only. Okay, I think we have to see what is happening over here. Okay, so it also can fall, and once it falls, once a correction will happen, then we can say that what momentum or what moment it will go, and we can take a bigger call according to the trend. Okay, that's it guys. Bye. Tomorrow I'll update you with my views for Friday. Okay.